In 2026, artificial intelligence has become a powerful tool for individuals seeking new ways to generate income. People are harnessing AI not only for traditional tech roles, but also through creative and unconventional methods. From automating freelance services to producing faceless video content, AI is enabling a diverse range of opportunities that were previously inaccessible. These innovative approaches are reshaping how income is earned, allowing individuals to tap into emerging markets and niches. As AI continues to evolve, its potential for personal and financial growth is expanding rapidly. AI-powered freelance services have transformed the gig economy, enabling freelancers to work more efficiently and increase their earnings. By integrating generative AI tools into their workflows, professionals can automate repetitive tasks, generate creative content, and deliver projects faster. According to recent reports, a significant majority of freelancers now rely on AI to enhance their services, with many experiencing stable or even rising incomes as a result. This shift not only streamlines operations, but also opens up new opportunities for freelancers to offer innovative solutions to clients. As AI technology continues to advance, its impact on freelance work is expected to grow even further. Faceless video production has become a popular method for creators to generate engaging content without ever appearing on camera. By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT for scripting, ElevenLabs for realistic voiceovers, and Midjourney for stunning visuals, individuals can produce high-quality videos across a variety of niches, including history, technology, and storytelling. This approach allows for scalable content creation, enabling creators to reach wider audiences while maintaining their privacy. The use of AI not only streamlines the production process, but also opens new opportunities for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. AI has revolutionized digital product creation by streamlining the development of ebooks, online courses, and templates. These tools allow individuals to quickly generate high-quality content, reducing the time and expertise required to launch new products. For example, educators and creators can use AI to design engaging course materials or write entire ebooks, making it easier to reach a wide audience. Once published, these digital products can generate passive income as they continue to sell over time. This approach empowers more people to monetize their knowledge and creativity with minimal ongoing effort. AI-powered SEO services have transformed the way businesses and individuals approach online visibility. By leveraging advanced algorithms, these tools analyze vast amounts of data to identify optimal keywords, generate relevant content, and track performance metrics. This data-driven approach enables more effective content strategies, helping websites climb search engine rankings and reach wider audiences. As demand for digital presence grows, AI-driven SEO solutions offer a competitive edge, streamlining processes that were once manual and time-consuming. The result is improved efficiency and measurable growth in online engagement. AI chatbot development has become a key strategy for businesses seeking to improve customer service and engagement. Developers use advanced no-code platforms, and AIAP is to build chatbots tailored to specific business needs, allowing for personalized interactions and efficient support. These chatbots can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to guiding customers through complex processes. By automating routine inquiries, businesses save valuable time and resources while providing a seamless experience for their clients. The demand for custom AI chatbots continues to grow as companies recognize their impact on customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. AI automation services have become a key tool for entrepreneurs seeking to streamline business operations. By leveraging advanced AI-driven solutions, repetitive tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and customer communications can be automated, freeing up valuable time and resources. Tools like Zapier and Make enable businesses to integrate various applications and workflows, resulting in greater efficiency and reduced operational costs. This approach not only improves productivity, but also allows companies to focus on more strategic initiatives, making AI automation a profitable and practical service offering in today's digital landscape. Teaching AI skills has emerged as a highly profitable opportunity, as the demand for expertise in artificial intelligence continues to rise. Educators are responding by offering a wide range of courses and workshops, covering topics from AI-powered content creation to building custom applications. These programs cater to both individuals and businesses eager to enhance their proficiency in AI technologies. As more organizations seek to integrate AI into their operations, the market for quality instruction and hands-on training has expanded significantly. This trend highlights how sharing AI knowledge can generate substantial income for educators in 2026. In 2026, artificial intelligence is opening up a wide range of income-generating opportunities. From AI-powered freelance services and faceless video production to digital product creation and advanced SEO solutions, individuals are finding innovative ways to monetize their skills. The rise of custom AI chatbots, automation services, and educational courses further highlights the versatility of AI in the modern economy. As technology continues to evolve, those who embrace these tools are well positioned to benefit from the growing demand for AI-driven solutions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.